Here we go, guys. We got the Mini Max here. We're going to put some Dream Mats in it. This is something that's been requested by a lot of people, a lot. There's even videos out where people are doing retros and they were cutting the mats before we had the 10x24 Mini, which is in the bottom. So we're going to come out of the crash box and we're going to go right into the micro mat. It's going to catch all your fine gold. It's going to be just super easy to clean. Hardly any cons. You're going to cream off all your good stuff right there. As we drop down through the screen, your little high banker back, we're going to drop into the Jarvine riffle. And this is going to be a great boil box. It's going to hold material, boil it up, slow it down, get any nuggets, that's for sure, or any kind of gemstones that'll drop out. It's going to take all your fine material, it's going to pass through that baffle system and get trapped underneath there and slow down. So your fine material isn't going to like go in there really fast into the boil box and flow out really fast through the system. It's going to get slowed down. So anytime you slow down your material before you get it to the mat, you're already winning. And besides having the great mat below, which is pretty bulletproof. So you're basically got a nice little system in this setup. And all we've had to do is take off these side rails, move this little hole up a little further for the wing nut. We put some tape and some silicone over the other one. And that's it, you know. Micro mat. Riffle slides underneath existing clamp. Holds down your 10x24 mat down below. Boom, there it is. This system was an easy system to put a retro in. We had a lot of guys, like 4 or 5 videos out there on my Like Videos channel doing retro kits on this. So we decided to come out with a kit package, which is going to be the micro, the Jarvine riffle, and the lower 10x24 mat system. And you're going to be set up, you're going to be able to drop that thing in your Mini Max, and then you're going to be off and running with the best recovery out there. All right, guys, we appreciate you driving this product to us, wanting this product, requesting this product. Even the person who provided the Mini Max to me to use is excited about receiving the product. All right, guys, we appreciate you guys. Have a good one.